Today I'm going to speak on how we can destroy our enemies. But before I continue, I will like you to subscribe and hit the notification button to see more videos like this. How can we destroy our enemies? Now let's face it. Have you ever wondered why most of us have enemies? I guess we have because our enemies think we are better than them in many ways. And this makes our enemies to feel jealous.
Last 2 years ago, I had an enemy that is always jealous of me and want my downfall. I was thinking of a way to destroy him because he was my enemy. But something changed overnight. Last night I listened to Dr. Martin Luther King on YouTube. And he talked about loving our enemies. He said, somebody must have sense and morality enough to cut off the chain of hate and evil. We cannot use darkness to destroy darkness, only light can do that. We cannot use hatred to destroy hatred, only love can do it. The best way to destroy your enemy is to love them. The best way to love your enemies is to always look for the good in them. Within the worst of an enemy, there is always good behind it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to see more videos like this.